In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see comments on your TikTok ads. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to engage with their audience and gather feedback directly from their ad campaigns on TikTok. Whether you're new to TikTok advertising or looking to refine your process, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're not missing out on valuable comments that could make a big difference in your advertising strategy. First things first, let's dive into the TikTok Ads Manager. You can access this by going to the TikTok Ads website. Once you're there, you'll find a login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your email and password associated with your TikTok Ads account. After you've entered your details, hit login to proceed. There might be a captcha verification to ensure that a real person is accessing the account. It's a security measure, so go ahead and complete the captcha challenge and then click confirm. This step is crucial for safeguarding your account against unauthorized access. Shortly after, you might be prompted to type in a verification code sent to your email. This is an additional layer of security TikTok implements for protecting your data. Check your inbox for the code, enter it when prompted, and proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the campaign section of the TikTok Ads Manager. This section houses all your ad campaigns and is essentially your control room for advertisement operations on TikTok. Next, you'll want to dive deeper into the specifics of your ad campaign by clicking on Ad Group. This is where you've grouped your ads based on similarities in target audiences or objectives, and where you can manage settings at a more granular level. Within your selected ad group, look for the option to edit draft. This might not seem intuitive at first, but editing the draft version of your ad group allows you to access settings that aren't available post-publication, including where and how your ads are placed, which brings us to your next step. Now navigate to placements. This is where you originally specified where you wanted your ads to appear within the TikTok ad ecosystem. It could be on TikTok itself or on any of the other platforms owned by TikTok's parent company, ByteDance. Under the placements, you'll find advanced settings. Clicking here unfolds even more options and controls that you have for your ad group, and among these settings is a particularly important feature for anyone looking to engage with their ad viewers, the user comment setting. By default, the option to allow comments on your ad might be turned off. To activate it, simply turn on the user comment setting. This enables viewers to leave comments on your ads, opening the door to direct engagement and feedback. Enabling comments on your TikTok ads could be a game changer. Not only does it allow you to gather real-time feedback from viewers, but it also encourages engagement and can give you valuable insights into your audience's perception of your brand or product. Plus, engaging directly with commenters fosters a sense of community and can positively impact your ad's performance by making your audience feel heard and valued. Remember, managing comments is also an essential part of this process. Regularly monitoring and responding to your ad comments can help in managing your brand's image and in addressing any questions or concerns your audience might have. It can transform a simple ad campaign into an interactive and dynamic conversation with potential customers. In conclusion, accessing and enabling comments on your TikTok ads isn't just about viewing what people have to say. It's about actively engaging with your audience, tweaking your strategies based on direct feedback, and making your brand more relatable and responsive. Following these steps, you can ensure that none of this valuable engagement slips through the cracks. And with that, you're all set to start seeing and interacting with comments on your TikTok ads. Remember, the digital world thrives on interaction, and with TikTok being one of the leading platforms out there, being able to engage directly with your audience through comments could really set your brand apart. Thanks for watching and happy TikToking.